Hey guys, alright, so this is the Dodge Ram truck with the fuel starvation issue, and I'm just going to show you something real quick. So here I got a gas can, here I jumped the relay. I could not find my jumper kit. I have a jumper kit to do this the right way, but I couldn't find it, so I had to use a paper clip. I have no idea what happened to it. Anyway, so that's jumped right now. And that's what I got coming out of the Schrader valve. There's no Schrader valve in there. That's all the pressure I got coming out of this thing. So now my next step is I'm going to have to pull the line off at the pump and see how much volume I got from the pump. Mind you, this is a brand new pump. So, but I think it says Carquest on it. Anyway, so I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to pull the line off the pump next and go from there and see how much pressure I got. If I don't have room to access it from underneath, then I may just have to, drop the tank, which is what it is. All right, guys, keep wrenching. Thanks for watching.